Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete Facebook account permanently. If you are using Facebook and you want to delete your Facebook account permanently, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you have to open your Facebook app, then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner or the menu option. Then select settings and privacy, tap on settings, tap on account center, and from here just select personal details option, then tap on the account ownership and control. Then select deactivation or deletion. And from here select your Facebook profile. Then select delete your account is permanent. So you must have to select the second option. Once you have that, just tap on continue, and here you just have to enter your Facebook password and your Facebook profile will be successfully deleted. So that's how you can easily delete your Facebook account permanently. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.